Nababa kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, on my table, sobrang dami na naman. So this is Pabshibug, your Kapamexitalian food trip. Notice guys, so we have pizza, quesadillas, shawarma, tender chicken, rice meals. Sobrang dami guys. They just recently opened and I would like to congratulate them kasi po, they are coming up with their second branch sa May Lubao along Olongapo-Gapan Road. So watch out, make sure to check out their fan page po, like it, so that you can get stay tuned and updated sa mga promos and upcoming events sa kanilang business. So again, I'm gonna introduce to you yung mga food po na pinadala nila. And starting off is this box right here. They call this the Fiesta Combo. It's 1,300 pesos. Notice meron tayo ditong pizza combination flavors, chicken tenders, we have potato wedges, meron din tayong shawarma, and quesadillas. Let me taste their pizza first. This is not the thin crust na medyo malutong yung crust. I don't like those kinds of pizza. Ako gusto ko ganito. Medyo moist, medyo malambot. Wow, so cheesy. Chicken tenders. Now, as is, it already has flavor. A little bit spicy. And meron tayong garlic sauce dito for more flavors. 4-cheese pizza. This is called their Caballero Pizza. Notice, meron tayong Mexican beans. It has mozzarella cheese, crispy chicken, jalapeno. What else? What else will you ask? There you go. So flavorful. Sarap ng cheese. I like the natural spiciness of the jalapeno. Nga pala, just to add, itong Fiesta Combo na to has 10 Coke Solo for 1,300. So they also have arangkada combo meals. This one, so meron siyang pita, hummus, and shawarma plus fries. As low as 99 pesos only. Another combo meal, ito naman yung rice meal. So you have gravy, green salad, garlic dip. Meron din tayong mga classic chicken tenders plus tasty Java rice. The other arangkada combo naman, the difference between this one and then the previous one, yung chicken natin dito has flavoring. So I think this is buffalo or jalapeno. Let me just taste it. If you want the classic plus gravy, pwede po yan. This one, it's already flavored. Plus, it's spicy. The last arangkada combo that they sent us is this one. Ito naman guys, so meron siyang classic chicken tenders and flavored. Meron tayong dip that is good for the chicken and the shawarma. And of course, meron tayong mga potato fries. So more food trip dishes. This is what they call tipid combo. Ayan. Let me taste it while it's open. Oh wow. Now, this one, this got me interested. Tingnan nyo naman yung combo meal natin dito. So this is their pizza roll combo. Another dip. Plus the pizza. Let's taste this one. Lambot. My kinda, you know, preferred bread. Mga ganito. Mga soft, moist. Right, so this time, let me taste yung kanilang quesadilla. Ayan, guys. I like this. Ham. Salsa natin, it's very sour, acidic. It complements with yung cheese natin, which is salty, plus the flavor of chicken. Great combination. More. Right guys, so last for me to taste is their shawarma. Inside it, of course, your chicken, your marinated chicken, cucumber, onion, tomato. Tikman natin. And then, yung pita natin is toasted. Yeah, so toasted siya. Dips or sort of anything like that. Oh wow, out of this place. Not a Filipino taste or parang ganun. What kind of herbs kayong ginamit nila dito? Anong spices kayong ginamit nila dito? So I'm gonna taste it with a dip. Of all the 1,000 sauces or dips na gusto ko, isa sa mga favorite ko is yung garlic mayo, which is this one. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much again for being with me. Thank you so much Papschibug for sending us your products. I'm gonna enjoy this with my family. And if you like the food, any of the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. share it with your friends, and when you share it guys, please tag Where in Pampanga so that we can like them as well. Thank you so much. Sana guys, let's support local, and congratulations Papschibug. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye guys.